In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress images to AVIF with Squoosh. We're using Squoosh, a free, browser-based image tool made by the Chrome team. It runs entirely in your browser, so your image doesn't leave your device, which is great for privacy. AVIF is a modern format that delivers excellent quality at much smaller file sizes compared to JPEG or PNG, making it perfect for faster websites and reduced storage. Start by heading to squoosh.app in your browser. There's nothing to install, and it works best in a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. You'll land on a clean page with a big area inviting you to add an image. Click the area that says drop or paste. You can also drag and drop a file in, or paste one you've copied to your clipboard. Large images may take a moment to load, so give it a second if you're working with high-resolution photos. Now choose an image from your computer. Squoosh supports common formats like JPG and PNG. Once it loads, you'll see a preview with a vertical comparison slider. This lets you check your original on one side and the compressed version on the other. You can zoom in to inspect fine details like edges, text, or gradients, handy for judging compression quality. On the right panel, open the Format dropdown. This is where you pick your output format, and it controls how your image will be encoded. Select AVIF from the list. AVIF often gives you the best size reduction while keeping details intact. If you publish to the web, it's widely supported in modern browsers, but it's still a good idea to keep an original backup in case you need it for older tools. Adjust the quality slider to your preference. Lower values shrink the file more, but may introduce artifacts. Higher values preserve more detail with a larger file size. A balanced range for many photos is somewhere in the middle, but it depends on your image. Use the comparison slider and zoom to spot issues like banding or blockiness. If you see advanced options like effort, leaving them at defaults is fine. They mainly affect encoding time, not the basic workflow. When you're happy with the preview and file size, click Download. Choose where to save the file, and you'll get a .avif version ready to share or upload. Keep your original image if you want a fallback for compatibility. That's it. Quick, private, and efficient. You've just converted and compressed an image to AVIF